The memes reign supreme today. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Today, we are going to be going over Shiba Inu, and we're going to be talking about this insane pump that has happened today and the last few pumps that have happened throughout the last couple of weeks. Anybody in SHIB, especially if you invested down in this area, is up. We'll go from the very bottom of this pump. Is up about 250% right this second. Absolutely absurd. Shiba Inu is crushing the rest of the market. And in fact, as you can see back here, we are up about 50% today. It is absolutely crushing the rest of the crypto market. And Dogecoin is not far behind. Well, I wouldn't say it's not far behind. We're 15% up. But if we check that one over here, you can see we've pumped just as much. Now, in today's video, I'm going to explain why this is, why we can go so significantly higher in the coming months, and how Bitcoin's current situation is actively affecting the price. This is going to be crucial information if you are trading cryptocurrency, especially if you are trading altcoins, and even more especially if you are trading meme coins like Shiba Inu, Doge, or Bonk. Before we jump into it, I want to let you know our membership is raising in price on the expected halving date of April 20th. As of today, we are 141 wins, 0 losses, and our future forecast videos are absolutely crushing it. From our future forecast videos, we've traded quite a few altcoins. The main ones that we're focusing on here being Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Bonk. Shiba Inu itself is up $60,271. This is all time. Dogecoin is up $27,895, and Bonk is up $5,647. Keep in mind, we have not invested that much, nearly as much as we have in SHIB. We are heavily invested in SHIB, and it really has paid off. All right, let's jump into the analysis. We are looking at Shiba Inu USD on the 1-day time frame. We're using the TC top and bottom finder, the price versus while money flow, and the trades and favor indicators in our trades. If you saw our Bitcoin video today, you're going to know that about 900 new Bitcoins are mined every single day, and this is about to drop to 450 Bitcoin around April 18th, April 20th, somewhere in that range. Now, the BlackRock ETF alone, there's multiple Bitcoin ETFs at this point, but they are acquiring about 6,266 Bitcoin a day. We're going to calculate this out real quick. We're going to do 6,266 divided by 900 Bitcoin. This means on a daily basis, BlackRock alone, I want to emphasize this, a single company, there are way more Bitcoin ETFs than just that, are accumulating nearly 7 times the amount of Bitcoin mined daily. And on the halving event, this is actually going to multiply. The Bitcoin supply is going to be cut in half, which means at that rate, as long as it stays the same, BlackRock by itself is going to be accumulating 13.92 times the amount of Bitcoin created daily. Here's the kicker. Across all exchanges, every single exchange that uses Bitcoin, right here in orange, you're going to see that this is sitting below $10,000 to $6,000 worth of value in Bitcoin. We're going to call this an even, let's say $8,500. It's a little bit above what I would expect $7,000 or $8,000 to be. But of all the exchanges on the planet, every single one that trades Bitcoin, they have less than $10,000 worth of Bitcoin between them. You're going to notice a sharp increase in price. This is the law of supply and demand. As demand increases and supply decreases, the prices increase as well. Over here, the OTC desks, the over-the-counter desks that major exchanges and the institutions actually purchase from, are running out of Bitcoin too. We're very near $2,000 worth of Bitcoin at this point. And this is crazy because it means that BlackRock will not be able to buy up as much as it previously had when there's simply no more Bitcoin to buy. They're going to be purchasing as much as they can of the 900 new Bitcoins mined daily. And when that supply shock happens at 450 Bitcoin, the new rewards around April 20th, this, of course, is going to send the price of Bitcoin skyrocketing once again because of that law of supply and demand. Now, when retail traders can no longer get their hands on Bitcoin, it's going to be extremely difficult, not impossible, but very difficult to buy Bitcoin through this bull market. We are expecting parabolic moves from Bitcoin, of course, but when it's harder and harder to trade Bitcoin, retail traders are going to begin looking towards the alt. And I think this is a major reason why coins like SHIB are pumping like crazy. When it's getting harder to buy Bitcoin, people are trying to get in low on Shiba Inu on massive potential moves to the upside. Bitcoin is going to get less and less volatile as the same few groups of people are actually going to own it. They're going to have, I mean, they already own the vast majority of Bitcoin holdings. But once they have a gigantic monopoly over it, more than they already do, it's going to defeat the purpose of Bitcoin in the first place. Bitcoin was designed to be able to fight governments and really put the power of money back in the people's hands, creating deflationary value and really making sure retail traders have a leg up. But once Bitcoin is monopolized like every other asset ever, altcoins are where retail traders are going to need to rely on in order to build their wealth, especially over just holding the US dollar. Now, we can't say for certain why it's specifically dog-themed coins that are going off right now. I suspect there's a lot of other meme coins that are going on at the same time. These are the types of coins that are going to see insane moves up, but unfortunately just as major crashes back down. We're not worried about the crashes right now. I think it's going to take quite a bit, especially leading into the end of the halving event, before we see anything, not the halving event, the end of the bull market itself, before we see any major crashes. I think we have plenty of room to move up. Now let's talk about that at this point. Right here, we see whale money did flood into Shiba Inu. We saw it decrease, but retailers held strong. The price did decrease significantly, but was brought back up, and by closing time, we were break even. Now, with just a tiny amount of whale money moving back into the market and retail traders no longer being able to buy Bitcoin on exchanges, I forgot to mention that. Let's go over that real quick. I genuinely cannot believe I'm telling you this, but Bitcoin was unable to be bought on Coinbase today because they ran out of supply. Right here, Kraken said the same thing. The asset you're trying to buy is sold out. Over here, we no longer have Bitcoin available for sale from Cash App. Multiple exchanges simply ran out of Bitcoin. So if you're not able to buy Bitcoin, where should your money go? I think we answered that question pretty effectively earlier, but the answer is altcoins. Now, money is FOMOing into Shiba Inu like crazy. I think this is going to continue on for quite some time. We're going to have to scroll back here to find our previous resistances because they happened in 2022 as the price dropped, but we have resistance that we're currently testing here at, right now we're going to ignore the first 4 zeros right here because that's going to take up a lot of time, but 3548 and 4000 are our main structure resistances. I think we're very easily, if we break through this resistance, going to hit that next level at 4000. From there, the next resistance sits at 550 right here, and then the all-time high at 8894. There's speculation that through this next bull market, because keep in mind, we haven't even reached the halving event yet. Bitcoin is very near its personal all-time high, and we haven't even reached the halving event where we're typically seeing massive parabolic moves. As Bitcoin moves up in price, it's going to carry the rest of the altcoins, and as Bitcoin supply diminishes, even more money is going to fall into the altcoins. It's speculated that we're actually going to go down to 3 zeros and even reach 0.0001 in this next halving event. Now, I know that's going to take a lot of money. It sounds like it's just a very tiny increase, but that is a lot of money needed to push Shiba Inu up that high, more than doubling, almost tripling actually, our current supply at this point. It's going to take a crazy amount of money in the market to do that, but there is speculation we could reach that as our all-time high for SHIB. Now, I'm of course not guaranteeing anything. None of this is financial advice. We are at a historic moment. Multiple historic patterns have been absolutely shattered. We can't even pay attention to historical data as much anymore, besides previous structure resistances. This is all heavy speculation. I just really want to emphasize that, but you see what the power of speculation is doing right now. Shiba Inu is up 50%, and I would not be shocked if it were to continue up further. Now, I know this isn't terribly informative. I know this isn't giving you exact data. It's not giving you exact targets. I'm really sorry about that, but I don't think anybody can really with absolute certainty say where the market is going at this point. That's just the power of cryptocurrency. Even if Bitcoin is going towards institutions, we still have the altcoins on our side as retail traders, and for that, I really thank them. With that, I want to let you know that we are using our indicators to track these coins. It's not just SHIB, it's not just Dogecoin or anything like that. Every single coin in the crypto market is tracked with these indicators. We're able to see the movement of whale money, seeing the massive transactions that happen so that you can trade with the whales, not against them. Because as we're seeing with Bitcoin, no matter how bearish we thought we were with Bitcoin, whales just kept on buying, kept on pushing the price up, completely destroying technical analysis as we know it. So we need to keep that in mind. Whale money is really the only sure thing in the crypto market at this point. We're using the TC top and bottom finder price versus whale money flow and trades in favor to help predict money movement in the market when we see whale money top out, when we see trades in favor high, and especially when we see a sell signal. The combination of all three typically see major moves down. We even saw this happen on this candle. We saw a massive drop before the next move up when whale money moved into the market. So keep track of this. Helps call the massive moves in the market, especially on the higher up time frames like the weekly, even the monthly time frame for SHIB, and again, any other cryptocurrency in the market. Thanks to these indicators and our strenuous risk management, we are up 141 wins, 0 losses in our membership trade calls. Absurd what we've been able to accomplish, and we cannot wait to see what happens through this next bull market. If you want to stay updated, these indicators are what you need to be paying attention to hour by hour, day by day, week by week. They are here for you. And now if you want to grab them, let me show you how to get them for up to $550 off. Check this out. Links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and hear me out, but you're going to want to snag the membership first. And that's because with our $59 a month, once again, price increases up to $65 a month are coming soon. As you scroll down here, you're going to get massive indicator coupon codes. It's actually much cheaper to purchase the indicators with a membership than it is without one. And that's not including the money you can make using our future forecast members only content, all trade setups, Zoom coaching every single month, metrics across all 20 coins, and more. Best possible deal is to subscribe to our membership at that button. Once you're done there, you're going to click the indicator link, scroll down to the Pro Indicator Pack, access the membership coupon code at this link. From there, you're going to click Pro Indicator Pack. You're going to scroll down and click I want this. You're going to throw in that membership code, click pay. From there, it's going to give you $400 off on the TC top and bottom finder, giving you all of our indicators for $550 off. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in tomorrow's future forecast video. It is crucial data. Don't miss out.